The Detroit Auto Show has officially kicked off, as it always does, with the announcement of the North American Car, Utility Vehicle and Truck of the Year winners. For 2018, those are the Honda Accord, Volvo XC60 and Lincoln Navigator, respectively. The Honda Accord beat out two other finalists, the Toyota Camry and the new Kia Stinger. The Accord stood out for its styling, drivability and standard equipment. The Volvo XC60 came out ahead of the Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Honda Odyssey minivan. It was chosen for its luxury, ride and value when equipped well. The Lincoln Navigator, the heavily updated model that remained true to the concept car on which it was based, beat the Ford Expedition, as well as the only pickup in the list, the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2, which was a finalist for Autoblog's own Technology of the Year award. NACTOY juror sessions complimented the more dramatic update compared to the Expedition. With its design now aligned with the Continental, the Navigator becomes an even more important image, and the profit maker for Lincoln, he said. The NACTOY awards have been around since 1994. The panel of 60 judges, all automotive journalists, whittled the list down to 3 finalists in each category before announcing the winners in January.